In this video you will learn how to remove noise with Audacity 3. The first way to do it is to reduce the volume. Usually background noise is most audible when there's no other sound, so this can help a lot. You can do this in two ways, manual or with an effect. Use the envelope tool by grabbing it here or by pressing F2. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Set a point just after a word and just before the next word starts. Now go in the middle and drag the line down. Please remember, this will reduce the volume between words and with that the noise. Please remember to subscribe. Add as many points as you need to adjust the volume reduction. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. The big advantage of this is that you can adjust the volume at any given moment. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. The second way is to use the amplifier effect. Press F1 to select the selection tool or grab it here. Select the part between words and go to Effect, Amplify, and set the slider to a negative value to reduce the volume. Tweak until you are happy with it. Little tip, leave a little bit of the background noise in. Complete silence can sound unnatural unless you have something in the background like music. The third way is to use the noise gate. This is an effect which will reduce or mute the audio level below a certain threshold you set. This technique can work well when you have some slight hiss or reverb, which is mostly cloaked when your normal voice is happening. Adjust the amount of reduction and threshold, and the attack, hold and decay to get the most smooth sounding result. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Method number 4 is to use the updated noise reduction effect in Audacity 3. This effect learns the noise profile of your audio and does some magic to remove the noise and keep the rest of your audio more or less intact. Select a bit of audio which only has the noise. Go to Effect, Noise Reduction and press Get Noise Profile. This will set how the noise sounds, so when you open noise reduction again, this profile will be used to remove the noise from your audio. Select the part or the whole track where you want to remove the noise. Start with low amounts of reduction, sensitivity and frequency smoothing and increase them all until you reach a point where the noise is removed enough and the original audio is still intact. Hiss. That noise you hear when you... Don't hesitate to play around with the settings a lot to get the best result and preview a lot.
Hiss. That noise you hear when you record it too soft. Hiss. That noise you hear.
Better leave some noise in and have good sounding audio than remove all noise and have some weird sounding audio. From here you can start mixing and get, for instance, a great sounding vocal. Watch the video on screen to learn that. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!